Hi, in today's video you're going to learn how you can create a Payoneer account. So the reason why we are creating a Payoneer account is for us to be able to have a USA bank account. So why do we need a USA bank account? So for some of us, like I myself who is from Zambia, okay, it is hard to get a USA bank account and PayPal is not fully available whereby we're able to receive money. So by creating a Payoneer account, we are going to be able to have a USA bank account and we'll be able to receive or withdraw money from PayPal, and then from PayPal to Payoneer, from Payoneer to now our bank account. So this method I'm about to show you works for everyone. Doesn't matter where you're coming from, doesn't matter which country you're from. This method I'm about to show you is going to work for you. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is to look for the registration button on university's website. So the link to Payoneer will be in the description where you can check it out. So the first step, of course, simply click on the register button to get started with creating an account. But before I show you how you can create an account, first of all, you need to have some requirements. The first requirement is that you need to have a national registration card or an ID, and you need to be of 18 years of age or above. So now we are asked a question, so let's find the right account for your needs. So you're supposed to choose who you are. So as for me, we're going to choose an individual. Once more again, before I continue, as for me, I already have an account, so I will not create another account. So I will simply just create an account for my friend. So I'm going to choose individual, and we're going to be asked what are we looking for. So we are looking to get paid by international clients or marketplaces. Okay, then you're going to be presented with a screen like this one again. So simply click on register. Okay, so right now you need to fill in this information such as your first name, your last name, your email address, re-entering the email address and the date of birth. So let me just fill in this information and click the next button. Okay, so I am now done filling in this form, so let me just click on next. Okay, so here's another page requesting to enter more information. So now here I need to enter in what I am requested, so let me just do that and continue. Okay, here's the next page. So I am required to enter in the passwords and also entering a security question, and then uploading an ID, or I have to provide an ID number and enter in the code below. So let me just fill in this information and click next. Okay, I am done. I am again requested to enter in more information here. Okay, so now here I have to enter in the country, the currency, and then I have to enter in the bank account. So the bank account you're actually entering here is your local bank account in your country, the one you have. So for this to work, you need to have a bank account. So if you don't have a bank account, you can simply pause and create one and continue later. So let me just enter in the bank details, then I proceed from there. Then now when it comes to the SWIFT code or BIC number, you simply open a new tab, like go on Google. Okay, so when you go on Google, simply search for the bank name, then SWIFT code. So for example, if the bank is Standard Chartered, then simply write in SWIFT. Okay, then you are going to be given, so simply copy it. Okay, so you have to remember to add in the country name over here before searching. So in this case I'm from Zambia, so simply enter in Zambia and you'll be given the correct SWIFT code for your country, and then paste it here, then simply click on submit. Okay, so I'm done creating a Payoneer account, okay, and it is being reviewed. So this process usually takes within 24 to 3 days. So as for now, what I'm supposed to do is simply wait for the email confirmation within the next business days. So today it's Sunday, so I'll probably receive an email either tomorrow Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. So the last thing you need to do is simply to check your email, and you are going to receive almost like 2 emails. The first email will be, dear, your name, we are reviewing your application for your Payoneer account to take up to 3 business days. Okay, and now the important email we have to check for is this one. So you need to verify your email address to speed up the verification process. So I am simply going to click on this email to verify it. Okay, so I have verified my email. Everything is now okay. So now all I have to do is simply wait for 3 days or so when they are done reviewing the account.